Paggamit ng at sa pangungusap bilang as sa Ingles. Mag-ingat ka at baka mahulog ka. Be careful as you might fall. Maghanda ka na at malapit na tayong umalis. Get ready now as we are about to leave. Huwag ka munang umalis at hindi pa kita pinapayagan. Don't leave as I have not yet given you my permission. Bilisan natin at babagsak na ang ulan. Let's hurry up as the rain is about to fall. Isara mo ang bintana at lumalakas na ang ulan. Close the window as the rain is getting stronger. Huwag mong galawin ang sugat mo at baka dumugo. Don't touch your wound as it might bleed. Mag-ingat ka at baka madulas ka. Be careful as you might slip. Huwag ka dyan at baka mahagip ka ng sasakyan. Don't stay there as you might hit by the car. Ingatan mo ang salamin at baka mabasag yan. Handle the mirror carefully as it might break. Dahan-dahan ka sa pagmamaneho at baka makalampas tayo. Drive slowly as we might pass over. Bantayan mo ang pinto at baka may makapasok. Guard the door as someone might get in. Huwag mong sisipain ang aso at baka kagatin ka. Don't kick the dog as it might bite you. Maghintay ka lang at baka dumating siya. Just wait as he might come. Umuwi ka na at baka mapagalitan ka pa ni nanay. Go home now as mother might scold you. Magluluto na ako at baka dumating na ang mga bisita anumang oras. I'm going to cook now as the visitors might come anytime. Kunin mo na ang sinampay at uulan na. Get the laundry as it might rain. Huwag kang tatayo at baka matumba ka. Don't stand as you might fall. Mag-iingat ka at baka mahuli ka. Be careful as you might get caught.